Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Now with my crazy schedules, I'm always trying to sneak in time and quality time to spend with my son. I try to engage him with different activities, and luckily for me, cooking seems to be his favorite, so the kitchen seems to be an ideal setup for him. Today, we're going to make an easy peasy recipe that'll have your child hooked too, and it's called the Fruity Cookie Parfait. To make it a tad bit healthier, we're going to use Unibic Daily Digestive Oatmeal Cookies, which has 26% fibre of your daily requirement. This recipe is a perfect blend of antioxidants, vitamins, making it a wholesome meal. So let's get started. We just use the Unibic cookies, and this is a great activity to do with kids when they have 4 or 5 friends come over. Just give it to them and tell them to just crumble it. Just break it down. You can keep those little bits in, that's not an issue. Yes. So it's this simple. Now we just put one layer of the cookie crumble. We add in some chopped strawberries, grapes. So we've got a cup and a half of Greek yogurt. We add a tablespoon of honey. Just mix it all in. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now, after the grape and the strawberry layer, we add in the yogurt, now we add another layer of the crumble, we add the fruit, black grapes, green grapes, layer it again with the yogurt, and top it with some raspberries, blueberries, mulberries, whatever is your favorite berry. That's it. Just add a sprig of mint for color. Donezo. Super simple, wasn't it? I'm sure your kids will love making and having this one. The Fruity Cookie Parfait is a perfect playdate recipe. It's so simple and quick that you can include it in your daily diet and make it your companion on the go or even at breakfast. So don't forget to try it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो।